Guys, today I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair with my Nume Megastar Straightener. So I first start off by putting it at 390, and while it heats up I go in with this Garnier Flat Iron Perfector. It is a heat protectant and I just mist my hair, and then I brush my hair with this wet brush. This wet brush has like charcoal and stuff in it. It's supposed to help with frizz and the oil control of your hair. I don't know, this was my first time using it in this video and I liked it. It's pretty cool. Next, I go in with the big sexy hair root pump and I just spray this all over my roots. This is like a volumizer, but I feel like I should use this after I straighten my hair. I don't know. And then I go in with this scalp massager thing. You're supposed to use it when you shampoo your hair, but I like to use it when I put product in, especially on the root / scalp area, just because I feel like the product really gets in when I use this thing. I don't know. Then I'm going to just part my hair. I just sloppily part it in, and then I part my bangs. This always takes forever. And I section them off like right in the middle of my face. Yes, I could still see. But I want to tell you guys about the Megastar Straightener. I am an ambassador for Nume. I absolutely love their products. I swear by them. You need the Megastar Straightener. It is the best. So next I'm going to part my hair. I kind of go at my eyeball and I just twist everything all up and use a little claw clip and clip it on my head. And then I'm just going to part my hair into two sections. So I have my right side and my left, and I'm using my Megastar. Like, look how quick this straightens my hair. So quick and so easy. You just need a little like 1-2 pass and that's it. So next I'm going to take this section in the back of my head, because this part I always accidentally miss, and I'm just going to really straighten it, and I really get close to the root. This one I really do, like more than a 1-2. Next, like at the arch of my brow, I am taking another section of my hair and then I clip the rest back up, and again do a little 1-2 pass. I had done the butterfly cut the night before I filmed this video, so the very last section I'm really straightening it because I want to make sure the layers are all good and everything's looking cute, especially on my right and my left side, because I sleep on my left. And then I'm kind of just like curving the front pieces in, because I kind of wanted that like blowout kind of look where it's just like your layers are really curved into your face. I don't know. Again, it's because I did that haircut and I really wanted to see what everything looks like. And now I'm going to do my bangs, so I wet them off camera, and I'm taking a brush and I'm brushing them in the direction I want to blow dry them. So now I'm going to blow dry them. I blow dry them for like a minute-ish or two, and then I set them in a roller once I am done blow drying them, once I feel like they are dry. So while they sit in the roller, I go in with the Not Your Mother's Smooth Mousse Serum. I love this. It's for frizz, shine. It's great. A little goes a long way. Then I go in with the Aussie Mega Hairspray and I just mist this all over my hair, and I take the roller out and I just zhuzh my bangs with my fingers. I finger comb them, and then I go in with a normal comb. This day they were being very stubborn, and then I go in with my Megastar just on the ends ever so lightly and just kind of tame them, and they look really cute. And that is how I straighten my hair. Let me know how you straighten your hair down below, and don't forget to check out Nume.